Alright, welcome back to the channel. Went to the yard sale last week and I bought these items blind. Completely blind. A stack of games. Okay. A stack of games. Hold on, where's my game side? Stack of games and a whole bunch of these Wizard of Art. I said Wizard of Art. Wizard of Oz keepsake, as you guys can see right there. Alright, Wizard of Oz keepsake. Hallmark keepsakes. Now, I used my bartering skills to bring the price down. These were about $10 each that she wanted for. I got them down to 5 each. I got 4. Okay, so I spent a total of like 20 bucks on these alone. Now, the stack of games, some was 2, some was 3. So I said, how much for all of them? Got them all down for $1 each. $1 each. But when I was looking at some of the games, I know there was some GameCube games. Okay, so GameCube, I'm guessing, is more valuable because it's a little older, a little bit more rare. It's Nintendo, a little bit more rare than like PlayStation and Wii. So I just bought them all. Hopefully I would get a home run and something would hit. Okay, so I think I got like 20 games. 4 of these, $20, so about $40. Let's go $45 I spent total at this yard sale. And I'll say this right now. These keepsakes ain't it. These ain't it, okay? I got torched. I got torched. I'm thinking Wizard of Oz has to be good, okay? Not so much, no. You know, I should have probably backed out once I saw it was like Hallmark. You know what I mean? The store Hallmark keepsakes. These Wizard of Oz keepsake, I'll be able to sell them for about, I got them for 5 each. It seems like what they're going for is between 15 to 20, maybe 25. And the price fluctuates greatly. Like, I don't even understand. I have the Scarecrow that I seen goes for like 22. You know, Scarecrow goes for like 22, but that's not consistent. So I can't count on that. I can't count on that. And this I've seen one of this. This is Who Rang the Bell, Who Rang That Bell. I've seen that go for like 25. But also, that's not consistent. And a lot of people have theirs as new. Is this technically new because I have it in the box? I mean, I could just take it out. I don't know if it's supposed to be like sealed. I don't know if it's new or do I sell it as pre-owned. I think I didn't do good. I would say I didn't do good. Took a chance. You got to do that at the yard sale sometimes, especially when they're sitting there talking to you. I can't pull out my phone and start searching items, searching for comps. It was just me and the lady at the yard sale. There was nobody else there at that time. So I got torched. But in the games, I don't know how these the people that buy games, I don't know how you guys do it, man. A lot of these games is like $7 free shipping. I don't know, $10 free shipping. I mean, clothes, I could sell clothes for $10 all day, but it's with shipping. And you know, you make a little extra off the shipping. But these games, I guess, to be competitive in the game market, free shipping is a thing. So I didn't know about that. So these Wii games, all the Wii games, like you would think something like this is unique. It says the Planet 51. Yeah, the Planet 51, the game. It's kind of unique. I thought it was gonna do well. No. I think it was like 10 bucks. So that's a fail. But you would think a game like Tom and Jerry, right? Tom and Jerry would do well. Tom and Jerry, no. Well, it's better than the others. At least you get 15 plus shipping, and I got it for $1. So I guess you could say that this is a win. I guess you could say it's a win. But this right here, Beyblade, like, it's anime. Look, it's anime. Anybody will take a chance on this. I thought so. Come on, it's anime. No, $8. 5 shipping. I'm like, okay, that's not good. Monsters Inc. Anybody? Monster? Come on. That's back in the day, Monster. No. Look at this. $1. With best offer. $1 with best offer. No. No good. How about this? Come on. You look at this. You see this? Come on. Doesn't this look retro? Doesn't this look good? Like, yo, this is not a game you see every day. No. Not that great. $10. $10. I don't know how game sellers do it. I don't know. Took a chance. No good. But I did win on a few. On a few. Okay. This right here was a small soldier. This sells all day. All day. I checked it all day. 25. There he goes right there. Small soldier. All day. So I at least made all my money back for the games. All of them back for the games. The Battle for Volcano Island, Nickelodeon. This did not do good. What's it, 15? I could get 15 for this. Alright, it's not bad. You know what I mean? Not too shabby. Not too bad. But this is a good one. I did not think this was good. When I saw it, I'm like, it's a Sonic game. It's probably one of the newer Sonic games. It's not gonna be that great. 54 all day for this. There it goes. Add that to the memory bank. I'm not gonna say it's a bolo, but it's kind of a bolo. 54. I mean, free shipping, but it's still 54. But my winner is this. I did have one game that won. This looks like a game that you would say, yeah, this looks good. I'll take a chance on this. And it was good. Now this is hard to find, like a lot of comps on it, so I guess that's a plus. But the ones that I've sold have sold for, like, 70s and up. Granted, I have the GameCube version, so it's a different console, but the PS2 version and the Xbox, I mean, they say it's new. I mean, this is new. Either way, I'm confident I could get at least 50 and up for this. So between these two, that's 100. I made my money back with a little bit of profit. Then the rest, it'll be decent. And plus, but the keepsakes, I mean, not great. I'm not gonna lose money, but it's not what I thought it was going to be. So there you go. Yard sale, blind buys. That's the result. There you go. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. I think I did okay. I thought I could have done a lot better. Granted, it was 20 games. I thought I could have done a lot better. But I'll say this is okay. There you goes. At least I have the systems. I could keep some of these games, play with the kids. All right, y'all. Please like and subscribe. I'm out.